What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon. Hope you're all having a great weekend. And in this video, we'll be talking about Terra, Terra 2.0 or Luna 2.0, which some of you might still know it by. But it's officially called the new Luna. All right. I wanted to cover this for no particular reason. In the price, at least, because the price has been relatively stable. It's just been moving along with the market. Volume has dropped down significantly, but that's because of this move. I mean, that drop, then the volume increases. Now it's dropped back down. It's at about 16% of the market cap, which is relatively high. But the market cap of the new Terra isn't that high. Still 200 million. I mean, don't get me wrong, but still, it's not that high. And to be honest, in this video, I also wanted to talk a little bit about the new Terra. First of all, the price movements have been absolutely horrendous. You have spikes and you have long periods of consolidation. I mean, even check out the last 2 days. I mean, we've not really moved at all. And then sometimes you have these spikes. There's a lot of spikes. There's a lot of manipulation. It just looks really manipulated. So the price action is definitely nothing to write home about. Apart from that, I also don't hear a lot about the ecosystem anymore. I mean, Terra used to be an ecosystem that was built on a lot, but now I see none of that. I don't see any of that on Twitter. I don't hear about Do Kwon anymore. So yeah, to me, it's just a project. I know that there's a big community behind it, and that's why I think it's going to keep existing. But apart from that, it really seems to be bleeding to me, which is a shame, but somewhere it's deserved to, I think. But yeah, those are my insights, which some of you are definitely going to disagree with. That's completely fine. If we take a look at the analysis, what you can see is that we found support here at that $1.6 level. I don't think that's going to hold us. I'm expecting more bearish impulses, and therefore I think we're going to drop down to this 1.5, 1.4 level. That's a very strong support level. So I think that could actually hold us for a longer period of time. But before that, and to be realistic, I also think that we can get some more bullish moves. All right. So before we drop down to 1.5, I think we can actually get towards this 1.67 and this 1.75 level if we're really bullish. But I don't see that happening really. I think 1.7, 1.71 is going to be the top, and then within the next few days, I think we'll be respecting this trend line. All right. So I think within the next couple of days, within the next 2, 3, 4 days, we'll drop down to that $1.5 level and 1.4. Now from there, I expect us to consolidate. I think that's going to hold, but I will also try to update this analysis as regularly as possible. Because I do think this will hold, even if Bitcoin drops down to 19,000. But if Bitcoin then stays around 19,000 for too long, then it might be dangerous and we might actually get another bearish breakout. But as I said, that's for another update. For now, I will assume that 1.4 and 1.5 is going to hold for Luna 2.0. But yeah, that's basically my analysis for now. If you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to wish you a great rest of the Sunday and take care. Bye.